The island province of Masbate in the Bicol region bore the brunt of Typhoon Opong, also known as Buwalowi, when it barreled its way and across the province early Friday morning last week. Opong left at least 27 dead and massive damage to property and ruin to the country's agriculture industry in the tens of millions. Still, much needed help came in earlier today as even neighboring provinces and the AFP joined in the community spirit to kick off the province's recovery, as our Patrick De Jesus reports.
The air assets of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, or AFP, have already reached various parts of Masbate to deliver additional relief items. Aid has also reached Zapatos and Hintotolo Islands in the municipality of Balud, which were devastated by Typhoon Opong. Other LGUs in the Bicol region, such as Camarines Sur, have already extended support to the ongoing response operations in Masbate.
Nakita po natin dito yung bayanihan in action. Nangyayari po ngayon dito sa Masbate. Lahat po ng agencies, lahat ng agencies ng ating national government at yung ating mga provincial government ay tumulong na din. At yung meron pa tayong in-expect na mga non-government organizations na tutulong din lahat sa atin dito.
Dito po sa amin, we have 125 personnel po. Composite team po ito from PDR-MCA member agencies, iba-ibang agencies. First po is for the debris clearing. Meron po tayong team. Meron po tayong from medical. Sa medical po, meron po tayo ditong mga medical van. Meron po tayong dental van and other services po na pwedeng makatulong. And meron din po tayo ditong CCCM. Meron po kaming dalang mga tent. Meron po kaming dalang wash, meron po kaming Veragon na air to water. So kung kakailangan po ng mga tubig, and meron po kaming lorry truck dito. And meron din po kaming kitchen.
A calibrated medical response has also been implemented in Masbate with additional health professionals and essential medicines deployed.
Nakita ko po yung load ng kanilang pasyente at yung kanilang mga doktor ay kailangan pong i-unburden, alalayan kahit papaano kasi nandun na rin yung sitwasyon na sila din ay biktima at mga kailangan din nilang asikasuin yung mga personal nilang kailangang ayusin. Kaya nagbaba na kami ng mga doktor to augment yung doctors po nila.
The AFP also recognized the assistance of reservists in the areas devastated by the successive typhoons.
More than the Armed Forces of the Philippines, nandyan po yung ating mga force multipliers. So katuwang po natin dyan ang mga reserve forces po natin na mas okay po yun kasi sir, no? Kasi nandudun na sila sa area.
Yes.
And alam na din po nila ito talagang kanilang sariling mga kumbaga hometown po talaga nila to eh. Kaya ang bilis po ng response natin kapag ganyan.
Meanwhile, the reported death toll from tropical cyclones Mirasol, Nando, Opong, and the southwest monsoon has risen to 27. 16 remain missing, while 33 others were injured. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.